Learn to say no in a relationship when it's on its early stages. This will make your partner treat you better and even respect you, as he or she will see you as unpredictable. My father said, "Here are two kinds of people in the world, givers and takers. The takers may eat better, but the givers sleep better." Distance yourself from the people who bring out the stress in you and move closer to those who bring out the best in you. Life is about evolving. Don't stay in a situation that's not helping you grow mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Real love is knowing someone's weaknesses and not taking advantage of them, knowing their flaws and accepting who they are. When someone is so sweet to you, don't expect that person will be like that all the time. Remember, even the sweetest chocolate expires. Give yourself permission to fail. If you never fail, you never learn. If you never learn, you will never grow. Accept both compliments and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. Learn to be your own best friend, because there are going to be days when the only person who is there for you is yourself. Don't mix bad words with your bad mood. You'll have many opportunities to change your mood, but you'll never get the opportunity to replace the words you spoke. Never accept the definition of life from others. It is your life. Define it yourself. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best things come to those who don't give up. One of the most painful goodbyes are when you know that the next time you meet, the hello won't be the same. Life is too short for constant stress. The only person you can control is you. So count your blessings. Value the people who love you. Make the most of each day and let go of the stress. One day you'll look back and realize that you worried too much about things that don't really matter. Stop trying to hide yourself so much. You are capable of doing great things, and you have a lot to give to this world. To make a woman happy, give her these 3 things: attention, affection, and appreciation. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.